Some of these cars are dirt cheap, some still run, and a few shouldn't be saved, but that's exactly what makes them fun. From rusty V8 sedans to forgotten project trucks, every one of these could be your next risky build. Let's jump in. 1. 1974 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This 74 Karmann Ghia is being sold strictly as a parts car, and it shows. It doesn't run, has no title, and the dual-port engine turns but clearly needs a full rebuild after moisture sat in the cylinders. The 4-speed transmission's condition is unknown, the column is locked with no key, and one rear brake is stuck. The body has rust, heavy bondo, and a poorly repaired hit on the right front. That said, the chassis and floors are still decent, the interior is complete, and there are a lot of usable VW parts here for someone deep into air-cooled projects. Two, 1972 MGB. This 1972 MGB is described as a complete project with boxes of parts, reportedly worth more than the asking price. It needs both carburetors installed along with vacuum lines, throttle, and choke. The soft top is said to be in great shape, and everything is claimed to be original. The seller also has a separate 1978 MGB parts car available for $500. This one is clearly aimed at someone who actually wants to finish a British roadster rather than just park it as yard art. Three, 1968 Volkswagen Beetle. This 68 Beetle is being sold as a full parts car, not as a restoration. The engine and wheels are still on it, and the interior appears mostly complete, but it's been sitting outside in the elements. The seller is firm that it's $1,500 for the entire car only, no part outs. It's the kind of deal that makes sense if you already have a bug project and need a complete donor. 4. 1975 Jeep Cherokee Sport 2-door. At just $800, this 1975 Cherokee is one of the cheaper 4x4 projects on the list. It ran and drove recently, but it currently has no battery, a disconnected rear brake line, and no title, bill of sale only. The 4.2-liter inline-6 has a rebuilt carb, new brakes all around, and about 144,000 kilometers showing. It's rusty, missing the passenger seat, and clearly not road ready, but for trail builds or parts, it's an interesting starting point. Five, 1947 Kaiser Special 100 sedan. This 47 Kaiser is a rare sight at this price, especially with a clean Pennsylvania title. It's a non-running project, but the seller says the body is solid, the interior is clean, and it even still has the original rubber floor liner. The two rear tires are bad, the fronts hold air, and the car is complete. For $1,500, this is more of a long-term vintage restoration candidate rather than a quick flip. 6. 1973 Mercury Monterey. This 73 Monterey is a cheap, big-body cruiser project with a 400 V8 and C6 automatic. It does come with a clean title, which is a big plus at this price. The bad news is it needs floorboards, trunk, and rear pillar patches, though the seller says the frame is still solid. The front wheels are not included. At just $650, this is the type of car you either save cheaply or use as a full-size donor before it gets parted out or scrapped. Seven, 1973 Chevrolet 1500 Custom Deluxe Long Bed. This 73 Chevy long bed runs and drives, which already puts it ahead of many projects in this price range. It has a 350 V8, brand new tires, and even comes with extra parts like a door pin kit. The downside is it's definitely rusty, and the engine is burning oil, likely from worn valve stem seals. Still, for under $2,000, this is a usable square body work truck with real project potential. Eight, 1976 Chevrolet C20. This 76 C20 is a manual transmission square body that's being sold as is with a story that it just needs a carburetor fix. It comes with a new carburetor, cap, and rotor, and the seller was told that was all it needed to run right. Mileage is just under 100,000. There's no mention of title issues here, making it a straightforward mechanical project for someone who likes old-school, simple trucks. Nine, 1976 Chevrolet Nova Roller. This 76 Nova is a roller project, no engine, no transmission, and no title. On the positive side, it's described as overall rust-free with solid floors and trunk, which is huge for a Nova at this price. It's missing the grille and front light bezels, the tires are shot, and the windshield is cracked. The seller originally planned an LS swap, so this is clearly aimed at someone building a modern drivetrain into a classic shell. Ten, 1968 Pontiac Firebird Coupe. This 68 Firebird runs and drives, but doesn't stop because it has no master cylinder or brake booster. It's being sold as a straight-up project with no sugarcoating. The seller makes it clear it's not perfect, but it's complete enough to move under its own power. At $2,000, this is one of the cheapest entry points into a first-gen Firebird you'll find, assuming you're ready for brake work and typical old car surprises. That's the lineup for today. Real budget projects, real problems, and real potential. Tell me which one you'd save, and I'll see you on the next list.